Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to add variations on eBay. So let's begin. Now, if you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to create an account. If you want a personal account, you can just click on continue using your Google account or your Facebook. Or if you have an Apple account, just click on it. But if you wanted to opt to a business account, you need to provide your full legal name and email plus your password. And by clicking create an account, just follow the on-screen instructions. And once you have done that, we need to access your seller's dashboard. Now from here, if you haven't created a listings yet, this is your time to sell an item or create your first listing. But if you have like an existing listings, you can do so by clicking on the drafts right here. Or say for example, this is the listings you wanted to add variations. Click on it, and as you can see, adding variations to your listings let you use item specifics to a group closely related items under a single listing. All right. Now, for example, I'm selling, let's say, a basketball. Now, I can create a single listings with multiple variations of different sizes, from small to medium to different colors or different designs. Now, listing with variations makes the search easier for the buyer and give a structured way to differentiate between similar but not identical items in a multi-quantity fixed price listings. And if you're still following, most of the categories are set up for eBay listing variations, and if this option is not available when you fill in your items form here, it's possible that the listings with a variation is not available for the selected group. Now, once you are done putting all the information, and when you have similar items with a different variations, again, you can group them under a single fixed price listing. Now, this type of listing is for closely related items that they have their own distinct variations. And by that, what we mean is you can offer a buyer for a particular product with different options, like as we mentioned, sizes, colors, with designs to choose from, and these are listings with variations. Now, once you have done creating your first list, you need to go over to the very top, of your option, the three dots icon here. Click on that, and as you can see, there's an option. When you click that option, you can control which feature you would like to see on your listing summary. And again, all you're gonna do is click this magic button here, because from there you can list different variations of the item, including different colors, and site is limited to qualifying and categories, buy it now pricing formats, and other criteria. Okay, and that's very easy. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.